home is a place where we should always feel comfortable. Breeze warns of humidity before it gets too hot. Protect your indoor air quality with Breeze. Using multiple sensors, Breeze detects a variety of airborne health hazards that can lead to childhood atopic diseases such as eczema, asthma, and allergies. Breeze detects the silent killer formaldehyde, a leading cause of sick house syndrome, as well as deadly carbon monoxide. It measures airborne particulate matter such as fine dust, mold, and allergens. Breeze also shows temperature and humidity levels to help ensure your home's comfort. And with the Breeze app, you can have all the air quality information you need to protect your home at your fingertips. Breeze, so we can all breathe